Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Explained, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and full of great conversations. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
And hello for me too. I'm Jack, and it feels wonderful to join you again. Every time we sit down to record these episodes, I feel excited. How are you today, Emma?
I'm feeling great, Jack. Really great. I woke up early, I had a delicious breakfast, and the weather is perfect. Sunny, bright, and warm, not too hot. It just put me in a good mood.
Sunshine can do that. And that breakfast, what did you have?
Oatmeal with honey and a banana. Simple but perfect.
Nice. Clean, healthy energy. No wonder you're glowing today.
Thank you, Jack. And what about you? How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel very energetic today. More than usual. I don't even know why, but I woke up, stretched a little, and suddenly felt like sprinting.
Sprinting? Wow, that is energetic. What happened?
I don't know. The sun was shining through my window, the birds were singing, and I thought, today is going to be a great day. And it is.
That's wonderful, Jack. I love days like that. They make everything feel easier.
Exactly. And speaking of easy, before we start today's topic, we want to ask our wonderful listeners for something small but very helpful.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast and the way we teach English through friendly conversations, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, English Explained.
And don't forget to like this episode. That little thumbs up button really helps our channel grow and reach more learners around the world.
And if you know someone who is learning English, maybe a friend, a colleague, or a family member, please share this episode with them.
We appreciate your support so much. Thank you.
Okay, Jack, let's get into today's topic.
Yes, Emma. Earlier you mentioned something about going to the park.
Yes, today's topic is inspired by my walk in the park this morning.
A walk in the park. A perfect way to start the day. What did you see there?
I saw sports, lots of sports. People were playing, running, cycling, stretching. Everywhere I looked, someone was doing something active. And that gave me an idea.
Aha, so today we're talking about sports?
Yes, today's topic is sports. How to talk about sports in everyday English.
Fantastic. I love sports. Well, some sports.
Same here. I like some and some, well, not so much. Let's start with a simple question. Jack, do you play any sports?
Do I play sports? Yes, actually, I do.
Oh, really? Which sports do you play?
I play tennis.
Tennis. Wow, that's impressive. I think tennis looks very difficult.
It looks difficult, but once you learn the basics, it becomes really fun. It's fast, it's active, and you need to think quickly.
Do you play alone?
Oh no, tennis is always more fun with someone. I play with my friend Lewis every Saturday morning.
Saturday morning tennis. That sounds lovely. Do you use a racket?
Yes, you use a racket and a small yellow ball, and you run a lot.
Left, right, forward, backward?
Yes, it's constant movement. Great exercise.
I like watching tennis. The ball goes whack, whack, whack so fast.
Exactly. Sometimes I don't even know how professional players do it. Their reactions are amazing.
What about swimming? Do you like swimming?
Oh, yes. I love swimming. I go to the pool in the summer and the water feels amazing.
Swimming is perfect when it's hot outside. Cool water, soft movements. It feels like flying in slow motion.
That's a beautiful description. And swimming is great for your whole body. It uses every muscle, but it's gentle.
Yes, no pressure on the knees or back. You just float and move.
Exactly. Do you swim, Emma?
I do, sometimes. I'm not a fast swimmer, more like a slow fish.
That's good. Slow swimming is relaxing.
Now let's talk about the world's most famous sport, Football.
Or, in America, soccer.
Right, soccer. Do you play?
Play? No, absolutely not. I am terrible at football. If I try to kick the ball, it goes completely the wrong way.
Same here. I try to kick and the ball goes away from me, far away.
But we both love watching football, right?
Oh, yes. Watching is exciting.
Which team do you support?
I like the team that wears red. They are fast and strong.
And I like the team that wears blue.
Red versus blue. Classic rivalry.
Tell me, Emma, do you play any sports?
Not really, but I go running.
Running? Like your walk in a park?
Yes. Sometimes I walk, sometimes I run, sometimes I jog.
What is jogging?
Jogging is slow running. Not fast, not walking. Something in the middle.
Ah, I like jogging. It feels light and easy.
Exactly. And you can listen to music or a podcast.
Like ours.
Do you have a bicycle?
I do. A blue one. Old but strong.
Mine is green. I love cycling on Sunday mornings. The roads are quiet.
Cycling is great exercise, and you can see the city in a different way. What about winter sports, like skiing?
Skiing is beautiful, but terrifying. So fast.
Yes, zooming down a mountain? No thank you.
And cold. Very, very cold.
I like watching skiing from my warm living room with hot chocolate.
Same. That's the best way to ski.
Some people do yoga at home.
Ah, yes. My sister loves yoga.
Is yoga a sport?
Maybe. It needs balance, strength, flexibility.
And calmness. Lots of calmness.
We don't have calmness.
No, we would be terrible at yoga.
Emma, what do you think is the easiest sport?
Walking?
Walking?
Yes, walking is healthy and anyone can do it.
True, walking is a sport for everyone.
Wow, Jack. Today we talked about so many sports.
Yes, tennis, swimming, football, jogging, cycling, skiing, basketball, volleyball, yoga.
And even golf.
This was fun, and we hope our listeners learned useful English words today.
Before we go, we have one small request.
Please subscribe to our channel, English Explained.
And like this episode if you enjoyed it.
And in the comments below, tell us, what is your favorite sport? Do you play it or do you watch it?
Write your answers in English. We read every comment.
Thank you so much for listening today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.